Data cleaning versus data wrangling. Data cleaning specifically focuses on identifying and correcting errors or inaccuracies in the dataset. Data wrangling involves the overall process of collecting, transforming, and organizing raw data into a more usable and structured format. Tasks. Data cleaning involves handling missing values, correcting typos, standardizing formats, and removing duplicates to ensure data accuracy. Data wrangling includes tasks such as merging datasets, handling missing values, reshaping data structures, and extracting relevant features. Goal. In data cleaning, the goal is to improve data quality by eliminating errors, inconsistencies, or outliers that could impact the validity of analysis or machine learning models. In data wrangling, the goal is to prepare the data for analysis by addressing inconsistencies, transforming variables, and creating a dataset suitable for modeling. Methods. Data cleaning encompasses techniques like imputation, outlier detection, and standardization to enhance the accuracy and reliability of the data. Data wrangling involves data aggregation, merging, reshaping, and other operations to make data more manageable and conducive to analysis. Tools. Data cleaning utilizes tools similar to those in data wrangling, with a focus on cleaning and validating the integrity of the dataset. Data wrangling utilizes tools like pandas in Python, dplyr in R, or SQL for data manipulation. Learn data analytics from experts at slidescope.com.